Did you know that 1/3 of our greenhouse gas emissions that are created come from our commercial and residential buildings? So as a community, we need to address that. What we're doing is investing in renewable energy. It's what we're doing to be a leader in reducing our greenhouse gas emissions.
The City of San Rafael is part of a growing movement nationwide of cities that are using innovative financing techniques to make the transition to solar energy, providing an example to their citizens as well as to the federal government.
SolarCraft is proud to partner with the City of San Rafael to help them achieve their sustainability goals and applaud their environmental leadership and financial responsibility.
Solaris Energy is proud to finance this project placed prominently at City Hall, where all visitors can come and be reminded of the benefits of solar energy and the cost savings which will be reinvested in their community.
It is more important than ever for our local governments and private sector to work together.
Together we can reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. We're going to do that for each other, for our health, and for the health of the planet. Thank you.